back to my channel. Today we are doing rose gold Disney inspired things for the park, and we're using a couple different products. We're using our rose gold HTV, glitter HTV, that you can get on shopantite.com. We're also going to use a cover that you get for your Apple Watch, but I got that on Amazon, and there's a link to my Amazon store in the description. There's also links on my blog, which is anyrthing.com. All of my SVGs, including the Disneyland SVG, are available to my members. So check out being a member because you get thousands of cut files, tons of really awesome things. And if you're a business person who likes to sell stuff like this, you can become one of our business members, and we've got some really awesome perks. So check that out. And without further ado, let's do this fun, super easy DIY. We used HTV for the water bottle, which I did not show how to do, but basically we just cut it out and ironed it on. So let's get going. Alright guys, so I got this Apple Watch cover off of Amazon, and when I found them, I thought they were ridiculously adorable. So I added them to my Amazon store. You guys can find links on anyrthing.com if you ever need to find my Amazon store. I'm also using Mod Podge and just a little tiny brush to make sure that I get a whole layer of Mod Podge onto the outside of the cover. I didn't do the bottom side, I just did the top side. So then I sprinkle on some rose gold glitter, which you can also find at shopantite.com. And of course, our members get 20% off at all times and bonus coupons sometimes too. Okay, so make sure that it's completely dry. I let it dry for a few hours, and then I'm going to go in with some more Mod Podge and just seal that up. I'm using the glossy Mod Podge because I feel like I like my glitter to be glossy. So you can do what you want. Okay, so for our Disneyland sweatshirt, these sweatshirts are adorable, and I found this tie-dye sweatshirt at Ross for like $9, and I just thought this would be so adorable. So I'm using our rose gold glitter iron-on from shopantite.com. This is Caesar iron-on, so it's like the best iron-on you can get. And this SVG is also available to our members for free, so feel free to check out being a member on antite.com, and you can see all of our SVGs. So I'm just going to iron this on, make sure it's nice and cool before I pull this off. But once I pull it off, voila, I have this amazing hoodie, and I'm just going to go over this one more time. I love our glitter because you can do this just to make sure it's on there really good.